Hello, welcome to Pergola Nurseries in Virginia. Paeonia Roses are just starting to peep over ground now, and they're fantastic. Once you have a Paeonia Rose plant in your garden, it's there for at least 300 years, and some lovely new varieties. And if you're addicted to Paeonia Roses like me, you know, some of these varieties are fantastic. Have a look in the web shop. This is Raspberry Sunday, and Raspberry Sunday is a whole swirl of pinks and deeper pinks in its flowers, and they are enormous, like a big bunch of tissue paper. So that's Raspberry Sunday. And there's a new Ito peony called All That Jazz, purple and red and cream. Again, enormous flowers. Ito peonies are wonderful. They've got a stronger stem than most of the other peonies, and a lovely pure white with a little hint of pink called Shirley Temple, again just peeping over ground. Now this is the time of year to plant a Paeonia Rose. Decent sized planting hole, a little bit of super thrive planting fertilizer at the bottom, compost and soil on top, and the same bank in and round. This Paeonia Rose will be in your garden for at least the next 300 years. Goodbye for now. Enjoy your garden.